Gorgias versus Freshdesk, an in-depth comparison about the tools. Introduction. In this video, we're going to dive into a comparison between two powerful customer service software tools, Gorgias and Freshdesk. We will take a close look at their features, pros and cons, pricing, and what sets them apart. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which software might be the best fit for your business needs. So let's jump right in. Features of Gorgias. Let's start by delving deep into the features offered by both Gorgias and Freshdesk. Gorgias is often hailed as a customer support platform that that's tailor-made for e-commerce businesses. Its standout features include automated responses. Gorgias deploys advanced AI to automate responses to frequently asked questions. This feature is a time saver, allowing your support team to focus on more complex issues. Unified inbox. The platform integrates inquiries from various channels like email, chat, and social media into a single dashboard. This centralized hub streamlines communication. Custom macros. Gorgias lets you create macros for common responses, significantly reducing response time and improving consistency. Integration power. With over 40 integrations with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce, Gorgias becomes an indispensable part of your e-commerce toolkit. Features of Freshdesk. Freshdesk, on the other hand, is a versatile customer support solution suitable for businesses of all sizes. Its features includes multi-channel support. Freshdesk allows you to manage customer inquiries from email, chat, phone, and social media in one unified dashboard. This ensures a holistic view of customer interactions. Knowledge base. Freshdesk enables you to create a comprehensive self-service knowledge base. Customers can find answers to their queries without the need for direct support, reducing the load on your team. Automations. The platform offers a robust automation capabilities, including ticket assignment, follow-ups, and predefined workflows. This streamlines your support process. Reporting and analytics. Freshdesk, Freshdesk provides detailed reporting and analytics, allowing you to track team performance, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. Pros of Gorgias. Now let's write the pros and cons of each software, dissecting what they excel at and where they fall short. Pros of Gorgias. E-commerce specialization. Gorgias caters specifically to e-commerce businesses. This specialization means it understands the unique needs and challenges of online retailers. Efficient automation. The platform's AI-driven automation is a standout feature. It can swiftly handle repetitive inquiries, freeing up your team's time for more complex tasks. Seamless integrations. Gorgias seamlessly integrates with major e-commerce platforms, ensuring smooth data flow and cohesive support experience. Cons of Gorgias. Pricing. While Gorgias offers substantial value, its pricing can be on the higher side for small businesses. It's crucial to reach out for a custom quote to align with your budget. Niche focus. Gorgias is heavily tailored to e-commerce, which means it might not be as versatile for businesses operating outside this niche. Pros of Freshdesk. Versatility. Freshdesk versatility is a major asset. It's suitable for businesses of all sizes and industries, making it accessible for startups and enterprises alike. Knowledge base. The comprehensive knowledge base feature empowers customers to find answers independently. This not only reduces support tickets but also enhances the customer support experience. Scalable pricing. Freshdesk offers scalable pricing plans, making it an attractive option for businesses with varying budgets. The 21-day free trial is a plus for those wanting to test the waters. Cons of Freshdesk. User interface. Some users find Freshdesk's user interface less intuitive compared to Georgia's. It may take a bit of time to get fully uh, accu- accu- accustomed to the platform. Advanced features. To unlock some advanced features, you may need to opt for higher tier plans, which could be a factor to consider depending on your budget. Pricing of Georgia's. Now let's talk numbers and pricing structures. Georgia's adopt a tiered pricing model, which can vary depending on your specific requirements. The starting point is approximately $60 per user per month, and this cost can increase as you add more users and features. For accurate pricing, it's advisable to reach out to their sales team for a custom code. Pricing of Freshdesk. Freshdesk offers a more straightforward pricing structure. They provide a free plan for small teams, and their paid plans start at $19 per agent per month. The cost scales up with additional features and support channels. The icing on the cake is a 21-day free trial, allowing you to test the platform's suitability before committing. Unique selling points. So, what really sets each software apart from the other? Georgia's. Georgia's stand out as a specialized e-commerce support solution. Its deep integration with platforms like Shopify and its AI-driven automation make it a force to be reckoned with in the e-commerce world. If you're running an online store, this software understands your needs like no other. Freshdesk. Freshdesk versatility is its crown jewel. It caters to a vast spectrum of businesses, making it accessible for both startups and established enterprises. The knowledge-based feature empowers customers to find answers independently, reducing the workload on your support team. Georgia's or Freshdesk. So, in the epic battle of Georgia's versus Freshdesk, which one should you choose? The answer lies in your unique business needs. Choose Georgia's if you're primarily an e-commerce business. A specialization in this niche means you're finely tuned to meet the unique challenges and demands of online retail. The AI-driven automation can work wonders for handling high volumes of inquiries efficiently. Opt for Freshdesk if you need a versatile customer support solution that can grow with your business. It's user-friendly, knowledge-based, and scalable pricing make it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes and industries. In the end, both Georgia's and Freshdesk have their own set of strengths, so your choice should align with your specific requirements and budget. Thanks for watching. That wraps up this in-depth comparison. We hope this comprehensive analysis has shed a light on those powerful customer service tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today. We will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.